So guys, so I'm gonna be doing another unboxing. So this is gonna be for something I bought. Probably gonna do a comparison though once I install it. Bought a new graphics card. So let's open it. It's right here. So this is all the way from New York. Huh. That's where the seller was. Because I was chatting with him on eBay, and see how the card is. So it's basically used, but he said it hasn't really been used that much. So I'm gonna try out if it's in good condition. So a lot of packaging. At least he packaged it real well. A lot of styrofoam and cardboard. Not really cardboard, it's like those paper things. There we go. There we go. So let's check it out. Weird. It's got the Amazon thing. Why did they wrap it twice? Had a new headband. I always wear the dark headband, but I wanted to try out the the red one. At least he wrapped it good. Okay. The sad thing is I don't have the original box because this is used, but he wrapped it really good though, so I gotta give him that better safe, because when it gets shaken around when it's delivered, it's more secure. There it is. Got the UPS and Amazon, and then it's wrapped in the UPS thing. It's wrapped on the Amazon thing, and then it's wrapped on another, which is the outer box, which is this post office. It's like different brands. That's hilarious. Oh shit. So this guy's gotta be the 6-pin, or 8-pin. 2 8-pins. That's what I need for this card. Figure it out. I'll figure it out once I install it. There you go. See, 8-pin. Slides right up. Okay, put that aside. Here it is. It's an RTX 3070. Probably gonna wipe it, but it looks like it's in good condition. He said it's barely been used, because he said he doesn't use it. I was chatting with him. He said it's not used on. He doesn't really game, so. Trying to see where the thing says RTX. It says RTX right here. So yeah, it's an RTX. I'm trying to find where the thing. I might probably do a little test run. So here you go. For the thumbnail. Right here. There you go. Okay, let's do a thumbnail. Alright, so I'm probably gonna do a few test runs first before I install this 3070. I really want to buy also a new power supply so I can upgrade mine from it, because mine is 800 watts, so I can upgrade it from that to a 1000 watts, so I can have both this and the older card running. But we'll see, I'll just have to do that later for another video, in the future. But for now, I'm gonna do a comparison, do some gaming and maybe some mining comparisons, so how many frames and what the temperature is and all that, compare it performance wise to this card. Compare this card to my older card. It's also lighter than the older one. So yeah, first time using an RTX on my older Z370 motherboard. Hopefully my power supply is enough. It's 800 watts, so it should be good. Just in case I got another one here, which is an 850 watt EV, what is it? I forgot what it was. I think it's an EVGA power supply. But okay, RTX. This is the GPU right here, I think. This is a different design, but it has two fans though. So he did take good care of it. It's in good condition. Here we go. Here's the ports, similar to the 1080 Ti. One HDMI and 3. I know these are HD also, but I forgot what these are called. Alright, let's install this baby. So once I install this, I'm gonna do some tests. First, I'm gonna do a test on my older card, so I can compare the two before I replace it with this. Okay, I don't know. I think I might have to uninstall my NVidia drivers, or before I install this. I'll figure it out along the way. drivers, just in case. All the old drivers for NVIDIA. Okay. I'll just reinstall them once I put in the new graphics card. So once I put this in, I'll reinstall them again. I guess I'm going to restart it. Takes a little bit of time. There we go. I think there's one more driver. It's the audio driver, I think. And then after that I'll turn it off and then remove the old graphics card and then see, I'll remove this. And then put this. It all got weird. Okay, let's see. Let's remove the last one. This one. Gonna use this screwdriver, Phillips. All right, let's check. Gonna check if all, okay, they're all gone. So now I'm gonna turn this off, shut down, and then I'm gonna should turn off anytime. Probably gonna clean the dusts with this after I put the new graphics card, because I want to open this up and clean it, you know, the insides. Okay, sure it doesn't. Okay, that means it's not turning on. Alright, so now I'm gonna remove this. Okay, alright, gonna remove the screw. Okay. Let's see. Oh wait, did I remove the right one? I think I removed the wrong one. Yeah, I did. Alright, let's get this up. Gotta press this in. There we go. Oh yeah, I forgot. I remove the things on the back. There we go. Okay, I removed the HDMI. Should be good to go. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna have to clean this later. It's really dusty. Do a side-by-side comparison. Put it this way. Then I'll put the new one here. There we go. Interesting. So this, let's put it this way. It's almost the same size, except the old one's a little longer, even though it's not as powerful. Interesting. probably gonna, guessing it goes this way. Like that. First I want to reset the CMOS. Take out the battery again, like last time. There we go. Wait, yeah. Meanwhile, I'm gonna clean it. Oh crap. Oops. Thing came off. Good. Okay, I think that's good. Just go ahead and put the CMOS battery. Okay, go ahead and put the graphics card. So if it's like this, it should go this way. These go out to the outside to the back. So okay, let's see. Make sure it's aligned to this bar right here. Okay. basically, in reality, I could put both the graphics card here and here, and I could move this down lower if I want to, but I'm not gonna do that now though. Maybe in the future, once I get a new power supply. I gotta replace this right here. Yeah. If I'm gonna use both graphics card, I need at least 1000 watts, because this is only 800 watts, so I need more power to power both at the same time. Okay. Okay, I think I put it in. There we go. Oh yeah. We're gonna see if the fan works. I think it's pretty secure. There we go. Okay, now we need the power. Let's see, oh, it's all the way here. I only need 6. That's weird. Oh, I see. I gotta use this thing. Okay, basically I gotta hook this end here. There we go. Oops. I should have put all of them. I get it now, that's why I have this black thing. This cord, this dark cord, basically, I guess it converts the cords. Not really sure. Oops. There we go. That should be good. Huh. Didn't even know it's like that. And then this end goes here. Is it the right direction? Yeah, okay. There we go. Whew. I gotta see where I'm gonna hide these. I don't know, I'm just gonna put it there like that. Spray it a little bit there. It's got 2 fans. Go ahead and screw it up. tighten it up. It's probably good. Nice. Okay, let's try it out. Oh yeah, I forgot these. Gotta hook them back up. Nice. Okay. Before I close this, just in case, I'll go ahead and test it. There we go. Oh boy. A little nervous. Oh, here we go. Lighting up. See if anything will show up. Oh, here we go. Yeah. It's working. That was easy. Okay. I'm gonna do some tests with this graphics card, some of the games, and maybe with mining. We're gonna test it out. It's working. The fans are spinning. Both fans are spinning. Nice. Go ahead and do the thing. Oh, he wants me to do the setup. Okay, let's go to fan, I guess. Fan control. I'll go ahead and optimize all of them. Okay, it's gonna calibrate. There we go. Okay. CPU fan, chassis fan. Nice. Go ahead and save and exit. Okay. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna go in, see what this card can do. We're gonna compare it to the old one, specifications and all that. Before I do that, I'm gonna have to reinstall all the drives in the Geforce one. You know, because the old one, probably the same, because it's an NVidia card. But now I got the RTX, so right, we're gonna go to Mozilla Firefox. Then we're gonna type in Geforce. We're gonna download the drivers. Geforce Experience. There you go. NVidia.com, update drivers and optimal. Let's click on this one. Sure, blah blah blah. Keep your drivers up to date. We're gonna click on this. Then we're gonna save it. I'm gonna wait till it's finished right here. Then we're gonna install the drivers and the thing. Go ahead and open it. Minimize this. Okay, when you see this, click yes. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your? Sure. Installation detected. Come in, blah blah. Nah. Okay, it's doing its thing. There we go. Okay, and then NVIDIA version 3.21. Promise to protect your blah blah Geforce configure card. So you're gonna click agree and install right here, and it's gonna install the, you know, the thing again. Since I uninstalled it last time, I'm reinstalling it. Preparing to launch. Speaking of launch, I was watching the SN11 rocket by SpaceX. Basically, they're basically just doing some maintenance before they do anything with the rocket. Ah, crap, I gotta log in real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and close this. Oops, crap. There we go. There we go. Nice. Okay, so I logged in and then this showed up. So no driver found. I'm gonna have to install the driver. First I'm gonna check on something. 3D. Okay, there we go. Continue. And then there we go. Got it. I'm gonna install the drivers again. I click on download. This is the update driver thing. It'll download it and then it'll install it. I still don't know what this graphics card is. haven't really looked. I'd have to install the driver. I'm gonna check that what type of graphics card this is. Because you know, I don't really know if this is really an RTX 3070, but we'll see. It says it's a 3070, so just gotta check. I haven't checked yet. Okay, it's doing its thing. First, let me close Mozilla Firefox. Okay, it says Express installation. Click on that one. Express. Then click yes. You want this app? Yeah. Time to upgrade. Geforce RTX 3060. That's the one they just released. I think it's sold out again because, you know, scalpers. It's like, I think it's sold. That's the problem right now, that scalpers are buying up all the cards using bots. So before even people could click on the cards to buy them, they're already gone. I've tried it too, and everywhere I look, Amazon, eBay, Best Buy, they're all sold out. So it's crazy. I don't think I got my hand on this one. He said it's still pretty new, so it's barely been used. So that's good. And he said he doesn't really game, so he didn't, like, the guy who sold me this card has said he's like an office guy, or he's really not the type. He's not a gamer type, so it's like, okay, I'll get it then. So he said, I was chatting with him on eBay because I got it from eBay. And then he said, you know, I've never really used it, he said. And then, you know, he removed it from his HP Omen. So this is basically a graphics card from an HP Omen PC. That's why it looks different. But I'm gonna try out the RTX thing. Then we're gonna look on the, you know, whatever this card is. I'm gonna check it out. Then I'm gonna test it on Steam. See what it, just like I did with the benchmarks or the test on the other games that I just did. I'm gonna do the same thing with this one. HD audio driver. Okay, there we go. That wasn't bad. Close. And then, okay, and then we're gonna go to settings. So it is a 3070. Nice. So he wasn't lying. Sweet. Okay, so just gonna scan real quick for games. Basically, I went here and then I clicked on scan. Now it's scanning. Oh no, the battery on this phone is gonna run out. Gonna have to recharge it again real quick. But so far I'm pretty much done. It's not really that complicated installing the graphics card. Let's check the temperature real quick. I open Tech Power Up GPU Z. Okay, 3070, it's exactly what he said. Another test, hundreds of tests, put some load on the card to verify PCI Express slot configuration. Ooh, nice temps, look at the temps, 34 degrees Celsius. Damn. So let's see. It shows the transistor count, release date, September 1, 2020. It was only last year. Let's go ahead and try this. Modern graphics card come with extensive power-saving features. One of these functions reduces the PCIe Express link speed and width to lower levels of consumed power when the card is idle. Might see undesired balance in GPU but interface readout. If you click the smaller interest bit, which should put the card in its highest power state, so you can verify proper. The bus center then is able to change within a few days. Start render test. Okay. What the hell? Okay. I don't get it. Doing something. So is it done or what? I don't know. Okay, let's open up. Wait, let me see something real quick. Let's go to update. If I need anything to update. Check. Okay, there's nothing. Let's go again here. I'm gonna charge this phone real quick. Okay, there we go. Sure, specific and best automatically optimized newly added games. 13 games found. Okay, so it's already added. Nice. All right. Let's see. Interesting. Let's go to CPU temps. Just want to see if it's affected. No, it's not. Okay. That's not bad. Let's go to CPU ID. CPU Z. Updates. Okay. Well, it's not really affected because. Okay, graphics 3070, 8 nanometer. Nice. Okay.